Hello everybody, before I can start this video, I just wanted to give a few copyright credits for Mental Media for Supermarket Sweep. Don't know who to give credit for the following shows. PageSixTV, General Hospital, Steve Harvey Show, and one other one that I cannot remember what it is, but this is an EAS compilation because I'm going to be switching to Cox Communications. I'm going to lose all these EASs. This one actually just so happened to catch tonight, actually. So, 3 of these are from Heroes and Icons. And here's the first one on buzzer. Require weekly test. Sorry, it's shaky.
D is manageable. Learn more at
EAS number 2, another weekly test from buzzer.
And take
I promise this is the last one. Another weekly test from Heroes and Icons, or buzzer. This one failed. Not the first test I've seen on this channel fail.
888.
No audio. No tones whatsoever. It says dead silence. Not the first time this has happened either. The next and final 4 alerts are the national EAS test back in October. I'm late to the game, I know, but here is WUSA's version of this test.
And it helps people achieve control that lasts. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Number 5, WJLA's test. Also, General Hospital still plays during the test, so I will give credit in the description. The audio does get toned down a little bit.
She agreed to meet me at a restaurant in Chapel. This wasn't easy, but I convinced her to take a DNA test. System was developed. I do have habits about the operators. He insisted on taking a backlogged DNA test from the second lab. Federal Communications Commission and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message. Others will not. No
I've
action
been thinking
is
that
required.
you've thrown yourself right back into Princeton. And with all this heavy lifting
Number 6, WRC TV. No, I turned the volume down for this one because let's just say this one didn't go as well. And the tones are a little louder too.
Is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If This is an actual emergency, and if you were to follow the tone alert you heard at the start of this message, a similar wireless emergency alert text message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Lastly is WTTG's copy of the national test. Notice the ticker scrolls before the test starts.